tonight is about me taking my power back and no longer protecting the person.
I would never do anything that would tarnish who she is as an individual.
Grab me by me here, punching on my mouth, punching on the back.
You live with a lot of girls that they see you in the car and you're nothing up. Like me and you there. So
manager, which manager? We have something for your manager.
Welcome to the countdown. Dashing through the and dashing through the Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new social media top 10 countdown. We have a bag of things to talk about, so let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Granny BF, my Rolling Stone. So, I saw this video recently, I think it was on Pinkwall page, but I won't make it correctly. And apparently this grandmother and granddaughter have a conversation, and it's only one thing to depend on the grandmother mind. Pre. And people, if you manage to hear something in the background, may I look more like a food and I make glad at night, but may I feel me I forget the countdown going same way, so like things are like a fry, so just go and ignore that. Yeah, get to the video.
What you said, Mama?
Where is your boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend, Mama. I told you that just 10 minutes ago.
I don't have a husband.
I don't have a husband. Nobody never proposed to me.
You serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Nobody never asked you to marry them?
Nobody.
I can't believe that. I can't believe that, Nikki. I can't believe that. Him treat you good though.
Him who?
Your boyfriend.
I just told you I don't got a boyfriend.
You have a man friend?
Number 9, Donna cake bad, my baking powder. Woo! So, if you, well, I'm not gonna just done the burritos them once more, but if you have been living under a rock, then I guess you would not know that Miss Donna, Auntie Donna, she have her name bad Christmas cake where I run the place right now. But it look like say, and everybody actually enjoy it at this moment, because this social media user went online and go post a video reacting to the Miss Donna name bad cake where she allegedly get downtown. Take a look.
Oh my God, the face you make when you taste Miss Donna cake. This shit is disgusting and nasty. What the hell is this shit?
You got viral.
Hell no. That one is supposed to be Roman Reigns, not that one you're sorry. This shit is so fucking nasty. Whatever the hell it is. $2,000 for piece of garbage. You're mad, you better go buy pizza.
Oh my, I don't think so Auntie Donna will be appreciating that one at all. And as you know, somebody look like them go and go send Donna the message that this girl go post up a bad review of her cake. So Donna took to social media now to go and clap back at that user. Pre. So Miss Donna say, oh my God, I wish I could see who purchased my cakes before it reached them. Because all of Unaplanka people know I would save you the $2,000 you spent to go downtown and purchase 2 pack of 3-piece layer so that you can take out of that gold plastic ear out of your head, because I can clearly see that you're not used to good ear nor good cakes. You're used to everything dirty, just like your mouth that needs Dettol and Lysol and Mistolin and bleach powder. Wow, Auntie Donna, you know, as much as Auntie Donna have the charity, low down inside, you know, Auntie Donna have that little good girl clap back, you know, down a town, little, you know, little Ray vibes. So do not be fooled by the little charity things. Miss Donna will clap back if she is so pressed. She always attack and said, do not make her mad and take her because she will run out in full force. And that is what she did. But let me know, burritos, have you tried Auntie Donna's Nyambad cake? It tastes good for you? Or do you think that this girl is just a look some like a clown for social media? Sound off below. Alright, burritos, promo time! Woo! Alright, so first up we're talking about Live Well Pharmacy. Now, Live Well Pharmacy is the cute little family-owned pharmacy that stocks the latest and trendiest products. Now you see at Live Well, they pay keen attention at delivering excellent customer service. Because you see there so, they want to ensure so them treat everybody like family. So you get curbside service, WhatsApp prescription service, delivery at Portmore location, and you get personal care and attention to meet your healthcare goals. Go and visit the nearest Live Well Pharmacy right now. Them have these locations. Now them have 2 locations. High-low at Portmore Pines and high-low at Fairview in Montego Bay. So it's like what Christmas time, make sure you go there and go get the good things them, go get the nice, go gift them, or you can wrap and go give your friends and family. So if you want to go and follow them, you can, check out them Instagram and their website right here. So, okay? If you tell them, say, Dutty Berry sent you, you get freeness. You're going to get a free COVID travel kit with your hand sanitizer, with your mask, and what else you get? But see, you get wipes in there too. So make sure to tell them, say, Dutty Berry send you, and whenever you make a purchase, you're going to get a free travel kit. Okay, burritos, one right now. Number 8, Spice Walmart. My debit card. I want to know, say Spice is somebody who never normally means fair words. When she is pissed, she is going to make everybody know. And that is what happened in this particular instance when Spice, she went to Walmart, looked like she should buy some little things. You know, Christmas season, it is a festive season. So all of them are red and the chicken over there is a bun up, but once again, please just ignore it. And so, Spice there at Walmart now and she was purchasing some things. So when she reached the counter now, so the line long and all kind of something now. So the cashier them there now and it looked like, say, because she pay with cash, they might examine the money now. So apparently 1 and 2 people come and there was a particular person who come and decides that she got scrutinize the money where Spice did have spend. I hear the scenario.
Back again, I say, they don't have the machine for detect if the money fake or whatever. You know me, I get ignorant now, because remember, me stand up at the counter, the line long in there because of Christmas now. So everybody I look like, what this now? She count the money. Syria, look for the money. I look for the money 40, 50 time. She just look for the money, I skip the money and I look, here now. How these 250 look different? Can we get some more for $50? Here. How these $250 they look different. But just take out the rest of the money out of my bag. I say you want the next one and liquor with it. Here the next one where I check if the money fake. No ma'am. Don't feel away, bitch. I feel away. Error. Don't feel away. I feel away. I feel away.
No, one thing with Spice does not hold back. Like, I love how Spice say, yo, no. Only hear that transition between the American English to the little Jamaican patois. Only hear the little switch in there. Let me know, burritos, has something like this ever happened to you in life? Where people kind of judge you because they don't really think so you would have so much money? Sound off burritos. Promo time. So burritos, I'm going to tell you about a website that is called semofa.com. So it is a quick, easy and just like stress-free way of sending money and making payments for your friends and family who are living in Jamaica. So yeah man, as we said before, it is a quick and easy way to support friends and family back home. You can have a group send where you have other friends and family contribute. You can send a meal, you can make mobile top-ups, you can pay for bills, school fee, fuel, gas, transport, donate to charity. Everything can be sent instantly. So if you're familiar with sites like Craigslist, then you can kind of get the strips of semofa.com. Readers, so once you're on the website, it looks pretty easy. You cannot complain. You will see all the different sections when it comes to bill payment, charity, you want to purchase credit, everything is there. So if you're abroad and you want to send things to your kids in Jamaica like the credits and the top up, you can do that through semofa.com. You want to make payments on their behalf, do that through the website. Okay, I'm going to put the link right here so you can go over and you can see it here some readers. So go over to semofa.com.
Okay, concrete board. Give me the keys to the coupe, I'ma pull out. Gotta work counts, cause I do not pull out. Walk in the spot with
Number 7, hello Ellens. I laugh out loud. So I have nothing to say more than to just look at this clip.
What is here now? Yes. What that mean? L-O-L?
L.
Oh.
How you pronounce it?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
And the L silent?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
Oh.
You know we're silent.
Eh?
But you can't silent.
You can't silent.
But you know we're...
I go.
Oh.
Eh? LOL?
Oh.
Eh?
I have nothing to say, Burritos. When you think about this video, sound off below. Number 6, my Vlogmas videos. Ho, ho, ho. Alright, so Burritos, I'm going to be talking about myself because I'm in the number 6 position this week. And basically, if you do not know, I actually have a new channel. That is my personal channel. We can call it my vlog channel. And it is called Duttyberry Uncut. So if you want to see content that is me outside of the social media countdown, my day-to-day life, please go over there. The link is going to be in the description, as well as you can go right up here. So, and check out the content. So I'm doing Vlogmas, and I've done a couple videos so far. I'm doing like a Q&A, getting to know me. I've also done, me at the gym, I think with me doing some TikTok challenges with Janelle. And so if you want to see my series of Vlogmas content, please head over and watch the videos. It is Duttyberry Uncut. Okay? Promo time! Alright, so now Burritos, I have a song/music video by the name of Low Mileage, and it is from an artist called Dre Tsunami. Now with a name like that, Sam can't come in a regular music, they like him song, it have a vibe.
Put it down and take it up. She said take time, come see the queen. Me said take time, when you walk your
Now the song was produced by the label Star Life Records. Alright, so if you don't really know about Dre Tsunami, he is a Westmoreland-based Sing-J that originally come from St. Anne.
You love so much, girl your body tight like a little nut.
Alright, so yeah man, the song have a vibe, it a go on, and some more make sure say, Dre, you continue doing your thing. The artist is Dre Tsunami, and the single is called Low Mileage. Go and check it out on his Viva channel. Why am I gonna say challenge? The link is right up here, so, and you can go and subscribe to him social media over here, so readers. Okay? Number 5, Saloni Stunts. My word, my sentence, my Miss Dana. I can't believe something I talk about Dana program so much on this countdown, but like, I am honestly so obsessed with Miss Dana and her lives them to the point where me take on Saloni. I feel like I know Saloni in my brain. If I see her right now, I might ask for her autograph. So if you do not know, Saloni is one of the beneficiaries of the Miss Dana program. And she has quite a personality. She can have like issues what she deal with, but people sit beyond that because she is just so hilarious and she speaks what is on her mind. And you have to just give her a blind when you open her mouth.
Lanka people on the hear it for yourself, yeah there?
Yeah, well,
good evening, good afternoon.
Yeah, man, I saw when God work, God doing things double what pine gear.
How you get them there for chain there?
People don't let me chain them. Give me one of them. Anything me want to do, come give me now. Right now, somebody I come the 29. You must have something where they show me, where they buy for me. Yeah, so you all see clothes like Shegwin, name brand, big crepe, and big iPhone. They must carry on for me, a white man when they go up and love connection. And buy them already show me them.
Lord God, give me strength today.
I buy 2 dozen Victoria's Secret. And the lady said she have more buy and me, she'll clean them a wall. They get food and
merciful
hey,
God.
You want to do nothing. God, you're good bad. You're good till you're good.
Okay. Ooh, why me a belch again? I don't understand what going on in my life, like every minute me depend this countdown, I feel like more have to come belch. What the box what is happening? But anyhow, so recently Miss Siloni decided that she was gonna have a little party. And some very good people make sure say they gave her a proper makeover. Take a look at the transformation.
Come, me show you what to do. Come down here, son. Come, hold your stride. Move there. Walk out. Tonight, Siloni, down here, down in the back.
Siloni, a 10K there, you know, Siloni?
I'll push around cross that far. Come, Siloni, come. We have to walk again, because you're coming. But then you want you to start. Come down again. Siloni, I pay, because I run left all the cake. Come here, so you're out. Come.
No sir, watch dress, watch face, watch shape, watch ear, watch makeup. No Siloni, you go and shell. Honestly, I wish I was there at the birthday party because I feel like it would have just slap right away. But you're able to part to take the cake knows that me never know say, Siloni, because she look, she look a little Caucasian man, somebody, over foreign. Me never know say Siloni, they have our own little local spooky this whole entire time.
Siloni man tell up down. You know see Siloni man down the Suplanka I post. That's your man for choose Siloni.
Yeah, I'm your husband. Me not left him.
Eh?
I left the white man coming out of him.
You gonna make the white man here you thought that did a phone Siloni?
It must be for
Jesus.
Just the white man, you know. You not even know him good.
Man, you not get nothing. Your mother can't.
He might give me same way, because I love him.
No.
When the white man come at my house mouse here. I come January.
Jesus.
And his sister come 29 of this month.
So you tell him, say you have your man?
He did have a little guy yet, me tell him. He don't hide nothing.
So don't know say your man?
Let me not try to tell you, you go around the thing.
So you know, me think a joke here that make you know call me a trouble you. Yeah, we not take you serious.
Well, that's serious business, you don't know.
No, sir, joke me there you run.
So let me know, burritos, what do you think of Siloni? Like, what do you think about our makeover? Is it a yay or a nay? Make sure to say a yay, say no, a yay. Promo time, alright, so I'm going to tell you about Tiana's Kid Store. So it's on Main Street, Highgate, St. Mary, downstairs Triple P Plaza, right beside the Scotia ATM. So it is a store that caters to children ranging from ages, newborn, to 12 years old. So they offer a variety of items such as children clothing, shoes, knapsacks including top brands such as Nautica, Puma, Nike, Reebok, Justice, Carter's, Polo, Ralph Lauren, among many others, as well as toys, baby gears and accessories. And they also have a customer appreciation day coming up Saturday, December 19, 2020, so you do not want to miss it. So I'm sure you don't want to find out them social media, so you can go and check them out right here, so if you want to find out more information. So come on, burritos, man, especially the one them there right on Main Street near St. Mary. Go over to Tiana's Kid Store. Name a better kid store right now. Hold on, come on, man. Me I wait. Come on, man. Number 4, Cure Again, my medicine kit. Wow, so burritos, the one here, if you do not know this topic, just get up, just get up. Get up right now if you do not know it, okay?
You never find no one in this.
So Jackier, his name has been, circulating and making the rounds on social media because of a video voice tape that got released with 2 women having an argument with him, and it just never nice at all. Let me just play a little bit of it.
I'm watching you in the front of my car, and you can't blocking me with a lot of girls because they see you in the car and you're nothing up, like me and you there. So when you go home and you left me in this predicament, like, oh, I see Jack, your girl that was in Kingston, dancer boy, in my front of my car, then this shit boy don't think that me and them size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl, huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me. Yeah, just fucking take rock and that's done. Broke on your hand. You take me for it. Because you see, I'm tell you so no problem. You know much woman I could have spent and take it upon and enjoy myself and them now so much trouble I give me. First thing we do this for the night, go out and left me. And build up after a story for me. You know this me, I beat me for beat the 200 on the house, hey.
Alright, so basically what was happening though is look like say Jackier must have did fly down like 2 women and they were staying at him place, and and on one of the days them basically Jackier kind of do want a little cushion, and Jackier basically them say, yo, you're not left until me get my. And that is when I guess the ladies decided to record and to just show him, and in the you can hear Jackier basically I say, yo, he was trying to kind of broke somebody and it just really got messy. And what people were really kind of fascinated by is that the woman alleged that at some point Jackier requested a little bit of that brata. And yes, so that basically fascinated social media, as well as the whole thing of people bringing up his his past in terms of the courts and prison and all of that, and it was just really messy.
Like he said, like there were some instances a couple times when he would get drunk and tell me that he wanted to breed me because he wanted light-skinned babies, but
okay,
yeah,
doesn't have light-skinned babies already? Hold on.
Yeah, no, they're obsessed with it in Jamaica, so he'd be like, like he would pressure me on it. Like he like got drunk and I was like, no, I don't want kids. You know, like he was asking me about, oh, do you ever want kids one day? And I was like, no. And then he went on this whole like Rastafarian rant about how my job on earth is to plenify it. And
so honestly, I do not know how Jackie is going to rebound from this because it does not look good. Because I was just saying, you know, maybe it's not Fame Vice. I was doing these things because me I say, yo, Jackie, you're a big top artist. Whenever I want me, I say, boy, maybe, you know, maybe there's some little computerized thing, but it seems as if, you know, the recording, you know, is actually him. And according to what I'm hearing is that it's not actually recent. That voice tape thing is actually from a year ago when the ladies were in Jamaica. So it's from 2019, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't think Jackie has really, you know, like, has he said something? Barry does correct me on this one. But I don't remember if he said anything. And I'm very eager to see how this will kind of play out now because it does not look good. Sound off, Barry does what do you think about this whole entire scenario? If you are looking for the opportunity to work from home while making a full-time income, you can partner with Zardy's International. They are seeking representatives to promote their training courses. The program gives you full control of your earnings and schedule, so visit their websites today. So Zardy's is a registered consultant that provides Stripe e-commerce training courses that shows business owners how to sell their products and services online by debit card and credit card. So if you want more information, burritos, you can go and visit www.xardesjamaica.com. I'm going to put it right here, so head over to the website now. Number 3, ultimate swing song. Oh wow, you know, say from primary school days, me just like jump on like a swing song. And you said this particular video I'm going to show you, me I think this is going to make me any more interested for go try it because this is like swing song point. Oh, that one here, you need to insure yourself before you go try it. Pre.
This is tight enough, dog. No, man, you can't come through.
You have this one now.
Yeah, hold on. Boy, 2 push down. Just 2 push down, that's it.
No, man, the good man, the good man.
Yo, hold on. Catch you. Yo, jump. What it, dog? Yo, I that.
Push him again.
Burritos, do you think that you would ever try something like this? Are you as daring as this brother? Sound off below. Number 2, Kyle Butler versus Dad. My word, my sentence, my catastrophe. This is, boy, this week on the countdown is just like mess after mess. So if you do not know, there is a whole entire case going on with a Jamaica under-23 football player, Kyle Butler, and his father, Craig Butler, and he is from the Phoenix Football Academy, and that, you know, that academy is known for producing stars such as, you know, Kyle Butler, as well as his adoptive brother Leon Bailey. So now the whole entire backstory now say, you know, Kyle is 22 years old and he took to social media to basically make some tweets that would suggest that he got abused and injured by this unknown mystery man. It's a tweet from the Twitter account of National Men's Under-23 footballer Kyle Butler. Says he was attacked at a training session at the Mona High School in St. Andrew recently. Allegations were made in a series of since deleted tweets, one of which contained images of graphic wounds to a hand with the caption "right through." Kind of sounds odd, okay? Today I got attacked and left on the road to bleed out. No more lies. I was attacked today at training at Mona High School. The deleted tweet reads, I guess you can pick up the reason. Whenever I didn't want to play football or do as he says, he would resort to violence. The tweet also claimed Butler, 22 years old, has been abused by a man who was not identified since he was 8 years old, while also alleging that his mother has been mentally and physically abused for several years. No, you see when then tweet here pop up, everybody start to try to put piece to piece, and I try to say, who is this mystery man? And when I say at the same time, you know, so I feel like him a throw word for him father, who is Craig Butler, and the person who would have, you know, coached him and, you know, bring him into the whole football thing, and, you know, star status, and, you know, when the whole of that happened now, I guess, you know, Kyle, his father put out a statement soon after and said that it wasn't him and that, you know, we might talk about with all of these abuse, and basically suggested that Kyle is kind of mentally unstable, and whatever people know that he is very, you know, emotional and reactive like that. and that he is just hoping that his son can get whatever help to kind of, help for kind of deal with his own situation. And, said that he wasn't stabbed, and he never stabbed his son. He basically said that he must have fallen down on a stick, and I saw him end up get the cut that, is reflected in the images that, he posted on social media. So right there and then, now people kind of wonder, like, who do I believe? Am I going to side with the father? Or am I going to go and side with the son?
Could have lit me all anywhere else. I really have no reason to lie. I have no reason to attack this guy. Why would I fall on a knife at train? Why would I fall on something that sharp that it goes through my flesh at a football field? Tell me how that makes sense.
Kyle says over the past few hours he has been seeing and hearing comments.
Now Kyle, has gotten support from his mother, who basically co-signed on all of that, all of what Kyle alleges. And once again, Craig is maintaining his innocence. And so we don't know what is going to happen from this.
That's what he did with my mother too. Every time he would have abused my mother, he run go to the police to file report quick. But that's fine. We have the medical reports and everything.
Definitely can relate to situations like that. And I do feel that, sometimes parents forget like how they raise the child. And, sometimes parents behave some very, like really rough ways. And that can end up to the detriment of the child. So maybe Kyle has been very explosive because he would have witnessed all of these things. And so we only hope, with the whole of this now, if what Kyle is saying is true, like, some sort of results can be brought about it. But it's in the public domain, it is very, very sad. And so, I really people in personal life, so we just hope that everything can get squashed out. And who forget the healing, get the healing. And who for be brought to justice, get brought to justice. Simple as that. So big up yourself, Kyle. And yeah, let's just see how this goes. Son of below readers, what do you think about this situation? Alright, so readers, let me tell you about Shop 876 Kids. This is where you find all of the cool things for cool kids. Now, it is Jamaica's first totally online kids store. They have toys, the latest and hottest award-winning toys. They have stuff for baby, children's clothing, school supplies, home decor, and for top it off, them do island-wide delivery. So when you decide to shop at 876 Kids, you're going to get great prices. You can beat the crowd and avoid corona because you can shop online at your convenience. They have a gift wrap option and they deliver straight to your niece, nephew, grandmother, anybody else. Okay? And if you can get free standard shipping when you spend $7,500 or more. And if you need an emergency item, they also have next day delivery available in the Kingston and St. Andrew area as well as Portmore. So you see anything what you want for your kids, shop 876 Kids, okay? And you can go and check them out right here upon them social media, and the website is here. So go there right now, Berritos, okay? And number one goes to Majah versus Kirby. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna play one about. Okay, so number one goes to social media personality, stand-up comedian extraordinaire, Majah Hype, and his fiance by the name of Kirby.
Do you want to use some of this one?
Yes. I want to use the money green. And
That's called Egypt. That one's pretty, but it's not gonna go with what you have.
No, I want to use some of the money green, and I want to use some of the.
So no, this one took over social media completely now. Like I think everybody kind of is familiar about the story right about now because it has been developing for the last couple of days, and it just get crazy and crazy and messy and messier. So let me just jump into it. So if you don't know, yeah, social media personality, Majah Hype, he's hugely successful. He might be one of the most popular, recognizable Caribbean stand-up comedians right now, okay? And
his running mate, Kamala Harris. Now listen to me, she's a black woman and she have Caribbean descent, so we're not ramp with her. If you slip, you slide. Gunshot, turn you in a strainer in here. Alright, so watch how you move. Miss Kamala Harris. Good evening, thank you. Good evening, thank you. Sit, have a seat.
I guess, everybody doesn't mind them business. When, I guess we saw this video with his fiance, Kirby, detailing that she was being, physically, whatever, for years by the comedian Majah Hype.
I'm ashamed because I let it go on way longer than it should have. I'm ashamed of myself because I went back so many times. All the reasons that I went back, it wasn't good enough. They weren't good reasons. I went back because me going back meant that I loved you, or I was proving that I loved you by coming back, or that I loved the kids, or just trying to prove people wrong that I'm not a gold digger, that I really am here for you. But all of that stops now.
Oh, wow. So now, when the whole of this kind of happened now, people were just like, I guess, trying to figure out and read between the lines and trying to say like, hey, what is happening? So people wrote up on Majah Hype page or trying to say like if he would say anything, but the brother was just like doing business as usual and never really commented on it, which, you know, drove a lot of people to really want to demand answers from him, and he was still kind of quiet. You know, see like a post, like a Bible, like a scriptures, and like a something there get post, but he wasn't really commenting on it. Then now, some time passed now, and then I guess Kirby took to social media to say that a sex tape of her was released, and you know, she'll say basically Majah Hype would be behind it.
Devil? You the devil? Go ahead and keep looking for sympathy. You're sick. You're sick. Who does that to someone that they said they love? You could have never loved me. You could have never. Yeah, let everyone log on and talking about that video that you post, that you're fucking sending around of me, an old ass video. You're disgusting. I knew that was gonna happen. You have my phone, you cloned my phone, you looking through my stuff, old stuff you digging up. You're the one that was, how do you get caught cheating? How do you get caught cheating? Your first response is to snatch my phone. You want to go through my phone. You are sick.
Oh my God, no. I don't know what going on. And so when that happened now, you know, lo and behold, Majah Hype finally decided to confront the whole entire issue, and he went live for beyond 35 minutes to share his side of the story and to clear his name. So he went on the live now and basically said he never want to really damage her character because he still love her, but he went into a whole entire I guess we can call him, say bring her down, him kind of show a lot of receipts that would suggest that her character is very, very messed up, and you know, to kind of make her seem, you know, kind of promiscuous and thing, and show up like videos, details of her and people having conversations of a sexual kind.
Some people is just so wicked, and I'm not even talking about Kirby, but people is wicked. For y'all to come on here and disrespect me and disrespect my family, and y'all don't know, y'all have no idea what I've been through. Not even a piece. Not even a piece of what I've been through. I was molested as a child. I confided in somebody about it. Somebody. So these are the things that I was seeing. I saw this, which is the great famous Nate that's in that video. December 25th. Would I release any type of video of her in any kind of compromising situation? Because not only does it make her look bad, it makes me look bad. I have all of these things that I could have released if that was my nature, if that's who I was. I'm going to read this scripture, and I hope that y'all have a blessed day. And like I said, this is it. I'm not answering anything. And you can make your speculations, your judgment. You could do whatever you want to do. But this is my protection. God is my protection. Okay? The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want.
Not for me. I didn't really care about the whole toxicity that was revealed in Majah Hype's life. All I wanted to hear was whether or not he actually was physical towards him. That is the only thing that matters. She could have give your bun 15 million times right in front of your eye them, pan your bed, give your bun with your father. That does not take away from the fact say, yo, if you were physical, that never make no sense. And I still stand by that. But the other things the more you want, if you want for sure, so she wasn't really a good wife and a good, a good fiance or somebody for you to talk to, yeah, that makes sense. You get me? But the little other things them is just like, hey, you didn't or not. If you never, then no, it is going to be your word against hers. And, we never really expect him for really saying they do it because you have to think, Majah Hype have reputation and all of these things. So even if he actually, they do, It would have been like really, really surprising if he did, because you know the brother career and things up on the line and you have to understand them little steps there. And so that is basically that. Right now me here so should have GoFundMe and put up GoFundMe for like $50,000. Like what the box what is that? That do not make no sense. That come like when people did kind of road fail. Remember the people them where they go up against the court system for the whole Rasta and wearing the locks. And that whole entire movement with the school where they tell the pitney if they cut off the locks or can't come to the school because the pitney might have lice. And then those parents, they put out GoFundMe, but they want money and people are looking at them like,
what's not clicking? What's not clicking?
We want to need money for like Wagwan writers or this if money when they want to know like, because they don't want to relocate and go live a foreign country. We not support that. And at the same thing, the people that look on Kirby and our GoFundMe right now is like, we believe, say, don't forget attacked, but the little part, the little money thing, yeah, this is where we jump off one stop and come off of the boat. But yeah, that's what I really have to say about the situation. It is very, very sad. And it really, you know, makes us want to focus on this issue of how we do deal with this issue of domestic violence, especially in the Caribbean. I know I'm going to bring up a tweet that got many people, you know, misunderstanding what I was saying. So in the middle of this, when I saw Kirby's video initially, the first video where she basically brought the information to the world that she was being physically hurt by her fiancé, I tweeted this. I said, this Majah hype situation is getting more and more upsetting by the minute. It's unfortunate at every level. I am noticing how many men are silent, and that is interesting. Why is it that we aren't instantly outraged at the thought of women being hurt? No, when we said this, no, like, me just said it's like right after the video did kind of post up with Kirby. And I guess it did take like a time before it got viral now. So I guess I went 6 tape and something them did get discussed. This tweet got viral now. It got posted on Tropics. And people are running, you know, I react to it and I say all kind of things. And I was just like, when I replied to nothing, because I realized that I guess people were taking my tweet out of context. And I bring on for them own meaning out of it, especially like some social media personalities. And, you know, if they want to be plebs, I just for them business that. Okay? And so let me just explain it. I said this because I was looking at the landscape, and I was really saying, when I was looking at the comments, I saw that women were really there to kind of hear and give a listening ear to Kirby and to hear her side and be like, oh, this is interesting. I forgot all Majah hype accountable. If this is indeed true, I'm going to ask him and just try to force him to respond. And the men were just like never really interested, including myself. Because when I did see the story, I passed me like, oh, she got get beaten by her man. I'm going to continue. I'm going to say, Berry, this is not a... And I had to pause myself and be like, Berry, this isn't like a slide situation. This is actually serious. You can, you know, try to investigate and try to see if you can find out more about what is going on. And when I looked at the comments, it was just really women kind of giving a supportive hand. And when the men did comment, the men, for the most part, did not entertain the idea that this woman could be telling the truth. Everybody was just like, all right, two sides for the story. And yeah, so the woman stay, why you just come out now? What you do to the man? And it was like a lot of the comments were basically men not wanting to entertain this idea that she could be telling the truth. Nothing is wrong with asking questions, you know, but I found it so crazy and so bizarre. But this is how men show up. And I've been listening to a lot of conversations where women always say that they do not feel supported by black men, that whenever they have situations, women are there by themselves. And me have to look on it and me and say, you know, me have to look and say, I was about to do the same thing. I honestly never wanted to entertain the thought that, hey, you know, Majah hype might have done something and that the woman was telling the truth or could be telling the truth. It's like, me ready for just go say, let me just move on now, so them look at something and go. And that's not the case, because oftentimes, if me even put on one battery rider and post that picture on social media, I am telling you, say, the same people, them who did that ignore that if I talk about two sides of the story, them who don't want to entertain no thoughts I might have been doing it for a movie, or say, may I run up and down, I want dog did bite me and tear off my shots, they would have been going down there for I mention all kind of things about me being. Ooh. And that is what me have to say. If I did something for happen with intense or eye water and all kind of things, they would have been present in there showing up. And all we have to say is, as men, we have to make sure, say, we try to see how we can intervene in some of these things when situations arise where women are hurt. It has been reflected in the same Kaylan story, where the girl and they have their party and look a fight broke out, and it seems as if men never really jump in and try to squash it. You get me? I kid you not. Any day it's studied for separate boys' champs from girls' champs, the man them not going to go there and show the same support that the woman would show for the boys' champs them. Netball games and all of these things, men don't want support. It's because we just do not have that same thing, and we have to look and say, why do we not show up? All me do I ask one like a simple little question, and me include myself. You get me? It was not about this case specifically, but this was just like the conversation point to look at the bigger picture in society. Why when a woman come out and say, yo, she feel a little pain, she's been hurt by this, we just look and say, yo, this woman is emotional. Why we can't try to understand just a little bit? That is all I wanted to add to the table. Not saying anybody was going to say, yo, I agree with her or I disagree with her, because up to now, I never choose no side and say I am team Kirby or me a team Majah Hype. I respect and look up to Majah Hype. The man give me a work when he come to Jamaica, and he demanded and wanted to ensure that social media persons were a part of that show. So of course, I respect him. And I respect him craft. You get me? But when you hear something like this, you have to catch a little piece of your ears and say, I wonder if the woman actually, you know, have a little basis to what she say. Let me see how I can listen and see how I could even try to support in any little sense. And not just seem like me just like remove our little, diminish our thoughts and diminish our words them right off of the bat. That is all Berry does. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this social media countdown. I know the topics are very heavy, but I hope that this can start a conversation and we can see how we can, you know. And that's all I wanted to present, Berry does, that we as a Caribbean people, we have become so accustomed to toxic relationships. It has been so normalized that we do not really have a sense of what we call like deep feeling and emotional attachment, so that we can empathize with these different parties. And you know, we have to make space. So if it's the same way how the man them can empathize with Majah Hype, at the same way we can find a little part of way to empathize with the possibility that the woman can be hurt too, and vice versa. We must can able for like, you know, like the woman them can empathize with a Majah Hype and say like, here what, him need for share film side of the story too, and we need to give him the same level of grace as well we're gonna give the woman too. So that is all I wanted to talk about. But me just know, so when these things arise, most of the time woman I go defend man right through. It always a split. You get me? It's always a split. So the woman them will literally go against other woman and defend the man right through, cause just so the thing said. But when it comes to the man them just like, yeah, me just kind of just dry here, sir. I'm just sit down and watch. I'm not really sit down, you know, I'm gonna just sit down and pray and just there so. You get me? But all the time, that action is not really what will help to really move things forward. That is all that I have to say, burritos. Well, that was quite heavy. But anyway, so I hope that you enjoyed this social media countdown. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, as well as to turn on your post notification and leave a comment down below. Do not forget to share with your friends and your family so that you can be part of the Burrito Army. And follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over, as well as to send me an email if you want to advertise within the social media countdown. Oh, by the way, I am extending the special 10K promo for the rest of December. So if you have a business, a product, or a service where you want to advertise, I will be giving up 3 slots in every countdown. So you have to run out fast so that you can get it. Okay, just 3 slots for the special 10K promos for the rest of the December month. Okay, so send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time, and enjoy this Christmas season, and subscribe to the Duttyberry Uncut YouTube channel. Okay, peace out.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I will have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.